Our office staff does a pretty good job of keeping track of where our clients heard about us. And when we analyze the numbers at the end of the year, by and large, most of our clients first hear good things about us on the Facebook message boards before reaching out to our team. But we do get about 10% of our new clients from local search results on Google Maps for phrases like bathroom renovation contractor near me or roofing contractor 19390. And an increased number of clients each year who live locally and discover an episode of our Forever Home series on YouTube. Regardless of how you found us, we're glad you're here. Now you're trying to figure out whether or not you can trust us and determine whether we're the right contractor to help you maintain and improve your forever home. We're ready to help you with that. Let's move forward into step 3 of the process, and we'll give you links to genuine 5-star reviews from your friends and neighbors and a couple other places where you can start to get the scoop from actual clients on the outstanding customer service experience our team provides, so much so that when we're finished, you'll be proud to say it's not just done, it was coat built. Keep clicking. Step 3, let's go.